Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this amazing crayon rainbow cake. Wow, just brilliant. Start with some melted white chocolate and purple food colour. Repeat with different colours. Orange, red, pink, yellow, green, indigo and blue. All the colours of the rainbow popped into piping bags and piped into some straws. We've bunched the straws together using an elastic band and put them in a jar to keep them standing upright, piping each colour melted chocolate into approximately 4 straws. Some filling completely to the top and others filling only partially. So you'll get different length crayons in the end. Refrigerate that for 1 hour to set and then get some purple sponge cake and pipe on white buttercream icing, layering up with different coloured sponges, blue, then green, and so on, all the colours of the rainbow. You just need to make a basic sponge cake mixture, split it into portions and add your food colouring in exactly the same way you did with the melted white chocolate. Now coat the entire thing in white buttercream icing and smooth it out. The white will really make the colour stand out. Now refrigerate for 30 minutes. Your chocolate has set, so we're sharpening our purple chocolate to look like a crayon. Then simply stick it upside down on the side of the cake, as though it's hanging from the top edge. Side by side, an array of colours, different lengths to create a wonderful effect. Amazing. Let's pipe some white buttercream icing around the top edge. It's all in the detail. There. And finally, some sprinkles. Rainbow, of course. And there you have it. An amazing, colourful crayon rainbow cake. Yum! Let's slice and see the colourful inside. Wow! Absolutely fantastic. Enjoy!